Think fast, answer smart. The Quizaro quiz begins now.
Question number 1. Which principle explains why airplanes can fly? A. Archimedes' principle. B. Bernoulli's principle. C. Pascal's law. D. Boyle's law. Answer is B. Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle is the single principle that helps explain how heavier than air objects can fly. Bernoulli's principle states that faster moving air has low air pressure and slower moving air has high air pressure. Air pressure is the amount of pressure, or push, air particles exert. In which of the following processes is there no exchange of heat with the surroundings? A. Isothermal process. B. Adiabatic process. C. Isobaric process. D. Isochoric process. Answer is B. Adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is one that occurs without transfer of heat or matter between a thermodynamic system and its surroundings.
Question number 3. The energy stored in a stretched or compressed spring is called A. Kinetic energy. B. Potential energy. C. Elastic potential energy. D. Gravitational potential energy. Answer is C. Elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is stored in an object when it is stretched or compressed, such as in a spring. Question number 4. Which of the following particles has no charge? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. D. Positron. Answer is B. Neutron. Neutron is the subatomic particle which resides in the nucleus and which also does not have any charge. It is electrically neutral and it interacts with other neutrons and protons through attractive nuclear forces. Question number 5. The splitting of light into its component colors is called A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Dispersion. D. Diffraction. Answer is C. Dispersion. Dispersion occurs when light is separated into its component colors, such as when it passes through a prism, because different wavelengths of light are refracted by different amounts. Question number 6. Which type of mirror is used in car rear-view mirrors to provide a wider field of view? A. Plane mirror. B. Concave mirror. C. Convex mirror. D. Parabolic mirror. Answer is C. Convex mirror. Convex mirrors are used in car rear-view mirrors because they provide a wider field of view and produce smaller, upright images of objects. Question number 7. The time taken for one complete oscillation of a pendulum is called its A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Period. D. Amplitude. Answer is C. Period. The period is the time taken for one complete cycle of motion in a periodic system, such as a pendulum or a wave.
Question number 8. The resistance of a conductor increases with A. Increasing temperature. B. Decreasing temperature. C. Decreasing length. D. Increasing cross-sectional area. Answer is A. Increasing temperature. For most conductors, resistance increases with temperature due to increased vibration of atoms, which obstructs the flow of electrons. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is true about waves? A. Longitudinal waves can travel through a vacuum. B. Transverse waves cannot travel through a vacuum. C. Longitudinal waves require a medium to travel through. D. Electromagnetic waves require a medium to travel through. Answer is C. Longitudinal waves require a medium to travel through. Longitudinal waves, such as sound waves, require a medium like air, water, or solids to propagate. Electromagnetic waves, on the other hand, can travel through a vacuum. Question number 10. In a parallel circuit, the total resistance is A. Equal to the sum of individual resistances. B. Always greater than the largest resistance. C. Always smaller than the smallest resistance. D. Equal to the product of individual resistances. Answer is C. Always smaller than the smallest resistance. In a parallel circuit, the total resistance is always less than the smallest individual resistance, as the overall path for current increases. Question number 11. What is the formula for calculating kinetic energy? A. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv. Option B. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. C. Kinetic energy is equal to m v square. D. Kinetic energy is equal to mvg. Answer is B. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to the mass of the object and to the square of its velocity. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. If the mass has units of kilograms and the velocity of meters per second, the kinetic energy has units of kilograms meters squared per second squared, also called joule. 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram meter squared per second squared. Question number 12. The first law of motion was formulated by Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Galileo Galilei. D. James Clerk Maxwell. Answer is A. Isaac Newton. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Question number 13. The bending of light as it passes from one medium to another is called A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Dispersion. Answer is B. Refraction. Refraction occurs when light changes direction as it passes from one medium to another with a different refractive index, like from air to water. Question number 14. Which of the following is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. Answer is B. Nitrogen. The most abundant naturally occurring gas is nitrogen N2, which makes up about 78% of air. Oxygen O2 is the second most abundant gas at about 21%. Question number 15. The magnetic field inside a long, straight current-carrying solenoid is A. 0. B. Uniform and parallel to the axis. C. Perpendicular to the axis. D. Variable. Answer is B. Uniform and parallel to the axis. The magnetic field inside a long solenoid is uniform and directed along the axis of the solenoid, creating a strong and constant magnetic field. Hence, the magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is the same at all points.
Please like, share and subscribe for more knowledgeful videos.